place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hey, welcome back to another Urban Farmers. So it's like snowing outside, I guess, from what Emily was telling me. I think she's out there shoveling the snow. So yeah, I'm gonna take you out there to show you what she's doing. But first, I have to put this bag over the camera, so hopefully that's not too much of a problem. Okay. I just don't want to get the camera wet. I think that'll work good.
I have a tendency to think that things like this work, but they never do.
I'm also gonna get a hat. So I got a hat. Yeah, I kinda gotta turn it because there's a Carhartt logo and we're not sponsored by them, so don't look at it. Don't go to their website. They don't make good hats. Let's go outside. Tree fell over. Oh, burr. Oh my goodness, it's a hurricane out here. Let's go find Emily. Emily, what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Sledding.
You're sledding in this?
Uh-huh.
On a boogie board?
Uh-huh.
I guess that works. This is a lot of snow. How much do you think it is? Maybe about, I don't know. What do you think?
Huh?
How many inches of snow do you think it is?
10.
10?
Well, in reality, it was actually 9.5.
Huh?
How much are we supposed to get?
I think like 3 feet.
3 feet?
It actually only ended up being 9 3/4.
Huh?
Quite a bit.
Yeah.
Go sledding down the hill.
Okay.
Here, I'll stand very still and make it into a time lapse. Oh, Emily. You okay?
Yeah!
You look like you have a beard.
That was fun!
What I've been told a lot. Oh, there goes your sled. Been told is it doesn't really snow here that often, right?
Right.
It doesn't really ever snow here. So getting 3 feet of snow is a lot of snow. And I'm freezing. So, you want to make our way back in?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I am frozen cold.
We can make a snowman.
Okay, let's make it over here where it's not too windy though. Make it.
My hands are icy cold.
Where do you want to make the snowman? Right here? Okay. Go ahead and start it. I'll just stand here and watch.
Audio Jungle.
Still making good work.
Uh-huh.
Good job.
I'm getting there.
Oh, head fall off?
No.
Oh, it's so,
Ignore that.
so cute. I love it. Where's the carrot? In the eye.
We don't have a carrot small enough.
Oh, okay. So let's go inside, because it's freezing.
It was at this moment when Emily didn't realize how fast she was running, and that she would be running into a big frozen pile of lake.
Oh, beautiful. Careful. Okay, I'm going in. There's a runway. Okay, let's go inside. Are you okay?
Emily, it's not that bad.
There's a lizard out there.
Stop.
You're okay.
It's a blizzard out there, guys.
So cold.
Okay. Oh, we can use this camera. We can use this camera now. Good. I'll put my cell phone away. I forgot I left this camera here. So, if you had to rate this snow, what would you rate it? Out of 98.
Like a 1 for freezing,
Okay.
a 1 for beautiful,
Mm-hmm.
a 1 for dangerous, and a 3 overall.
That's pretty good. Yeah, if I had to rate it, I would rate it 8 for like it, a 4 for love it, a 99 out of 98 dangerous, and a 110 for hate it. So that's what I would rate it. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Are you
I'm
sure?
starting to melt.
You're starting to thaw?
Uh-huh.
That's good. Should we end this beautiful episode here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, everybody, rate the storm up there. And let us know what you thought of it. Yeah. So, oh, and leave in the comment. I also noticed that we were getting lots of subscribers lately. So, people
like
are
50 new ones.
yeah, people are like watching our videos. It's really cool. So comment below. So, let us know.
Bye, guys.
But, oh, you're going back out there?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I belong out here.
I'm gonna turn on the Christmas lights. Christmas lights are on, and there's one right there, but I can't see it. Christmas lights are on, la 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 ha! Emily's making a snow angel. Of course she is. I can't really see her. She's just out there. Uh-oh, what is she doing? Oh. Okay, see you guys.
And this was the moment when I realized we weren't done yet, and it was time to make a light show.
Okay, we're gonna do a light show like all those famous YouTubers do on the internet. So, let's go. Okay, Emily. Well, I could try blinking this in a minute. So, there's like this little button here. I can go do 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 do. See, it works good, but it doesn't work like extremely well. So, I am gonna just blink it a couple more times, and then I'm gonna go out to the street. We're gonna add this all into its own like video thing. And there's a runway over there. That's the neighbors though. I'll stand right here. I'm gonna give Emily the thumbs up so she can start doing the holiday lights any minute now. I give her the thumbs up. Giving her the thumbs up to do it. Emily, not that light. That's the wrong light. Do the holiday lights, Em. Emily, do the holiday lights. Do the holiday lights. Okay, not those ones. Okay, bling, ding, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, I'm out of sync from her. Oh, what fun it is to ride in the one-horse open sleigh. I forgot we had that one there on the porch. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. I'm gonna get closer. That was an amazing job, Emily. Good job. Let me in. Amazing job, Emily.
Thank you.
It was a May. Okay. Goodbye, all.